everyone, it's Magdalena from Thermomix. Welcome to my channel again. Today we're going to be making pierogi. This is a very popular dish in Poland, and you can make it with any filling that you like. It can be meat, it can be vegetables, it can be fruit, depending on the season. So today I will show you the best dough that we usually prepare in Thermomix. And you can do it double or triple, I'm not too sure, but definitely, be careful about the 2.2 mark. However, today we're going to make it with blueberries, but these are Polish blueberries. Have a look, they are different than normal blueberries. They've just been picked up, so we bought them at the market, local market. The best recipe on the Polish platform for pierogi dough is pierogi ruskie, so Russian pierogi. So I'm going to go to the recipe and make only the dough. When we press the recipe and you go start cooking, you can skip the first part, which is the filling for Russian pierogi. So I'm going to skip it and just go straight to the dough section. There you go. So it requires 250 grams of warm water, 1 egg, 20 grams oil, and the last part is 560 grams of flour. Okay. And then next, put the lid on, measuring cup, and it says 1 minute and kneading. So let's go. So it's quite warm, the bowl is warm. So that's the consistency. It's quite stringy. Okay. And now, what we do with berries. So I want to take just half and we've rinsed them, and take away the little leaves. And it's going to be sticking because there is water, of course. You can add more if you like, but then we also add cream and sugar and sprinkle of sugar on top of pierogi, so that's why you don't need that much. Okay, and get the dough out. The way I do it is usually I turn the knife from outside, and that usually releases the dough. Wow! See? It's almost dry, almost clean. Still warm. I need to divide the dough. Okay. That's what I usually go by feel, I have to say, because we've been making so many pierogis in our lives. But then, she likes it thick, so we're gonna leave it as it is. Some people go even thinner. So this is more or less 2 millimeters, I would say. So you take just anything, depending on the diameter, how big you want it, and you go like that. Okay, and you do it all over, squeezing as many in as you can. You can add this dough into this dough and then roll it again together. So you create like a well with your hand, okay? And you take some blueberries, just as much as, to fill in the middle, But be mindful that this needs to be closed still. So you see, like that. And then I usually start from the middle. I go to the left, and you just press the edges against one another. And the same from this side. Okay, so that's closed, but obviously some people do it with the fork. So you can do it like that. Yeah. Okay. Just so you know, it's all to do with the fact that you don't want the edges to split open. So it looks like that. This one I'm going to show you my mom's way. So again, I start from the middle, I close this part, and I close this part. It's like that. See? Yeah, now it looks proper. And that's the nice part of making pierogi, that you can share it with your family.
I lubię takie coś.
O, no to tak, no.
Ale ty tam jakoś zawijałaś.
No bo u nas jeszcze jakby o to idzie pod spód jakby.
Może tak. Jakoś
No,
tak?
no o.
A to nie wiem. To ja robię tak.
You see, she's got a different way of closing it. See? So she doesn't go underneath. So this is my cousin's and that's mine. Slightly different. So here you have our first batch of pierogi with Polish blueberries. So out of one batch, we've used up everything, the whole dough. We have 35 pierogi. So now the water with salt is boiling. So you can salt it to taste. So that's why you don't have to salt the dough. Put the salt in the dough. Okay. And now we just as you can see, guys, they are all floating, but we're just waiting for further 3 to 5 minutes depending on the dough, because if you roll it into a very thick dough, then you need a bit more time. Look at this beauty. This is what it looks like when it's ready, guys. So I'm now just gonna remove some of the blade.